That is incredible. That sausage through there with that stuffing. And you know what really makes it? The apple sauce. Okay, it's going to be a really quick, easy recipe today, guys. You know, we're going to make sausage rolls. Now, we've made sausage rolls before, but, you know, it's Christmas time. We're going to beef them up a little bit. Put a little bit extra in. Now, I've got these Lincolnshire pork sausages. They look fantastic. They look like they've got a load of herbs in through there. Now, we could make it a quick way with puff pastry, and we just wrap it over and stick it in there, but we're going to pep it up a little bit so we get a really nice tasty sausage roll. I mean, come on, how many times are the sausage rolls that you eat, you know, you get some really crappy sausage roll, you can, you know, the sausage meat is about as thick as my little finger, you know, it's no good. Right, so what we're going to do then to pep this up, we're going in this cupboard and we're going to take out this Paxo, and we'll have that as well, and we'll have that as well. Whoa, a whole bundle of stuff. Right, Paxo, the nation's favourite stuffing mix. Easy to make up. All we're going to do is tip that in a bowl. So following the packet instructions then, we're going to tip that in there. And it says add 425 mils of water, boiling water. So let's get the kettle. So we're going to add 425 mils of boiling water. What a fork. And give it a little stir around. Now what's going to happen is, you know, everybody who's made Paxo knows what happens. You know, all the breadcrumbs and that soak up all this moisture. So we'll give that a stir around. And it says add a knob of butter. So we've got a little bit of homemade butter here. Knob of butter straight in the top of the Paxo. Give that a little stir in, melt it in there. Now we're doing this stage first because this stage we have to have cold stuffing mix. It has to be cold because if we put it on our puff pastry would just melt. Right, now we've mixed it up, what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to just put it on a plate so it has a larger surface area to cool down. So that's our stuffing mix on there. We'll just give it a little bit of a pat out and hopefully it should cool down quite quickly. Let's hope. Now I'm using ready rolled pastry today, guys. I can't see the point in making it. It's too complicated. Just use the ready-made and stick the sausages in. You've got the sausage roll. Okay, I've got skinless sausages. I didn't know. So we don't have to do a great deal really. All we're going to do is take those sausages. They are skinless. Completely skinless. Well, fooled me. Now that's a little bit of our pastry rolled out there. We're not going to do anything great with this, you know, I'm not even going to roll it out. What I've done, I've basically unrolled it and I've just cut it across. I'm going to take some of our stuffing mix and we want to put some of our stuffing mix down the middle of our pastry. Now you've got to eyeball this all together because we do not want to have too much filling and it all burst open. And what we're going to do, we're actually going to take some of this some of this Coleman's applesauce, a little bit of that down there. Now we're not going to go too daft. But you know, pork and apples, superb. You can't go wrong. A little bit of sweetness in there with our sage and onion stuffing and our sausage. and you've got a fantastic tasty sausage roll. Now of course you can use fresh apples if you want, you know, but you'd have to cube them all up. This way it's already cubed. And then what we need to do, we need to take some of our sausage meat and we're going to bob that down the middle. Now don't forget, these are skinless sausages. Now I didn't know there were when I got them, so it's quite lucky really. Just look at that. So that's a good layer in there. And I'm going to take this one all the way over the top. And that is an absolute belting sausage roll. We need to give that a little bit of a cut through. Just cut it with a pair of scissors. Oh, and then what we'll do is we'll bob it on a tray. Come on, look at that. Bit of egg wash. And then up, over, and roll. And this time, shoom, shoom, roll it over. On our tray, there we are guys, there's our sausage rolls. What we have to do now is just cut a couple of air vents in the top. Easy to do with a pair of scissors. And then what we need to do, we need to egg wash it. So just to beat an egg wash, we don't have an egg brush, so we are going to make one. We are making an egg brush. Bit of kitchen towel, bit of tissue, in with your egg mixture, and on we go. Where there's a will, there's a way. Come on, let's get that on there. And then these guys, and then these are fennel seeds. Pork and fennel, fantastic. A couple of those on there, look. Now fennel has that sort of an aniseedy flavour which goes really, really well with pork and apple. That's it. Ready for the oven. Oven's been preheated. Let's bang that in. Okay, it's got to be time to get these out of here. Now, look at those. Get that on there. Woo. Now they look absolutely phenomenal. Easiest, best sausage rolls ever. Oh, that smell. Oh, come on. So we'll let them cool down just a little minute, and then we're going to give one a taste test. You know, I can't wait any longer. Oh, come on. Hell. Oh, wow. That is incredible. That sausage through there with that stuffing. And you know what really makes it? The apple sauce. It's got a fantastic sweetness through there from that apple sauce into there. That is really, really good. Oh, and fennel. Oh. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.